Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to add a card to your AliExpress account using your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. After you are in the website, make sure you are logged in with your AliExpress account. Now, in order to add the payment card, you need to go to the checkout process. So you can explore through the products and find the products you like. You can tap on the product. You can check the description and the specifications of this product. And if you like this product, you can add to the cart. Here you can see the add to cart button. Tap on it. Confirm to add to cart. Next up, go to the cart section. Here you can see cart icon at the top right. Tap on it. Here you will see all the items that you have added to the shopping cart. Now you need to proceed to the checkout process. Here you can see the checkout button at the bottom. Tap on it. Now in this page, here you can see the payment method section. Over there you can see the option add a new card. So in order to add a card, you need to tap on it. And it will prompt you to the page where you can enter your card details. Here you need to enter your card number, your cardholder name, your expiry date and CVV number. Once you enter your informations, here you can see the Save Card Details option at the bottom. You can enable this, so this card information will be added, and you can use this for future purpose as well. After that, you can tap on Save and Confirm. And that's it. You've successfully added a card to your AliExpress account on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.